तो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट द टोकन। टोकन में हमने कीवर्ड, कांस्टेंट, आइडेंटिफायर, ऑपरेटर्स ये टॉपिक्स हमने कंप्लीट किए थे। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा आज है स्ट्रिंग। व्हाट इज a string? A string is a group of characters which can be contained in A to Z alphabet, digits, and symbols. In C language, generally a string is always treated as an array of characters. That means it is also called subscript of characters because there are characters are stored into subscript of characters. Suppose just we want to write or store our name in a variable, then we will declare the name variable as a character type. By default, a character variable can store only a single character in it at a time. But we want to store multiple characters, then we should declare its name with size. Means आपने डिक्लेयर किया CHR name of 10, that means the name variable is declared as a character type which can store up to 10 characters in it. Now the characters are stored in this form. This is called subscript of characters. Suppose we have to define your name like Mahesh. That means it will store MAHESH, and a string is always completed and terminated by null character. The null character will automatically replace when you will use any string variable with a function, and when you are using a string variable manually one by one character, then you should define the null character at the end of string. A string is always defined or compared into double quotes. You can't compare or store a string directly into a variable. Like you want to assign your name in a name variable, name equal to Mahesh. This is invalid. The compiler will occur an error. If you want to assign it, then you should use subscript position with it. Suppose name of 0 equal to M, name of 1 equal to A, as shown, name of 5 equal to H, and finally you will declare name of 6 equal to null character. Next, we are going to discuss about the data type in C++. The C language provides us variety of data types. Generally, there are two types of data types in C. Primary data type, it is also called inbuilt data type because these type of data are already defined in C language. and second is secondary data type. It is also called primitive data type. And it is called non-primitive data type. Now, why I need to use the data type? इधर सी लैंग्वेज में हमें हमारे डेटा को, हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन को पर्टिकुलर एक फॉर्मेट में प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हमें डेटा टाइप्स प्रोवाइड कराए हैं, जहां पर हम हमारे लीगल इंफॉर्मेशन को, लीगल डेटा को प्रोग्राम में प्रॉपर वे में स्टोर कर सकें, यूज में ले सकें, ताकि हमारी पूरी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो सके। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप जो होगा, आपका डेटा टाइप का कॉन्सेप्ट है कि आप अपने डेटा को एक प्रॉपर फॉर्म में इनपुट कर सकते हैं और उनकी प्रॉपर साइज ऑक्युपाई होगी, उनकी प्रॉपर एक लिमिटेशन है, यानी रेंज, डेटा की पर्टिकुलर रेंज भी वहां पर फिक्स होगी। तो प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरी। फर्स्ट इज द न्यूमेरिक डेटा टाइप, कैरेक्टर डेटा टाइप। Numeric data types are also divided into two parts. First is integer data type, real or floating data type. There are so many types of integer data types as per their size. The smallest integer data is short int. Next, int or signed int. Then unsigned int. Then long int. And real and floating data types are three types: float, double, and long double. In character data types, there are two types of single character and string. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर आपका जो डेटा टाइप्स की डिस्कस की बात कर रहे हैं कि न्यूमेरिक डेटा टाइप्स आर कंटेनिंग 0 to 9 digits and it can store only integer type value. That means the value should not be containing decimal parts, while the real or floating data types containing decimal type of data or numbers. In integer data types, short int data can store in the range of value -128 to 127. It will take 1 byte memory space. When you are going to use this data type as input output form, then you should use %designed for input output. Next, int or sign-in, the integer data type can be stored up to -32,068 to 32,067 value. It will take 2 byte memory space in it. Next, the unsigned integer variable, the unsigned int data should be stored only positive type of numbers. It can store 0 to 65,535 value range data in it, and it will use as input output form with %u. Next, long int data. The long int data should be tagged 4 byte memory space, and it can store minus two 147483647. That means it can store 2,14,86,646.47 to 2,14,74,83,646 up to value range. It will use by %LD as input output form. Next, the real floating data are used to storing decimal type of value. Float is the smallest real data type. It will take 4 byte memory space. Double data type takes 8 byte space, and long double take 10 byte memory space. Its value is always denoted by E. That means the float data should be take 3.4 E minus 38 to 3.4 E plus 38. That means E stands for exponent. So, character data type should be declared by CHAR keyword. It will take 1 byte memory space for a single character, and string data type should be take the memory space 1 into number of character size. Single character data treated by %C as input output form, and string is always use %S.